Okay, welcome back. This is day 4, and I'm going to discuss special products and factorization and expansion. So if you have this case, x plus y minus x minus y, you have this formula x squared minus y squared. So from here, for example, you have just to follow x squared, just remove this one, minus y here is 2 squared. In other words, you have x squared minus 4. So for example, you have x plus y to the power of 2. You can write this as, you can expand x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. So you have here x squared plus 2x, y is 2. And then you have 2 squared. So we simplify. This becomes x squared plus 2 times 2 is 4x. And then you have 2 squared, or 2 times 2 is 4. For example, you have in subtraction x minus y squared, you have this formula. So x squared minus 2x, y here is 3, plus y is 3 squared. So you have x squared minus 6x plus 9. So you see the formula, okay? Same through with this one. Now we can use this one in factorization and expansion. So example, you have here c squared minus 25. Obviously, from this formula, x squared minus y squared, you have x equals to x plus y, and then x minus y. Okay, so from here you have your c, okay, plus what is y? This is y squared, right? So in other words, y is equal to 5. Okay, you have 5, and then here c minus 5. Here you have here 16a squared. This is actually x squared. So your x here, okay, your x here is equal to 4a. Why 4a? You have 4 squared is equal to 16. A is, and then you have a squared. So x, you have here 4a, okay, plus y here. This whole thing is your y squared. Okay, so you have 4, 9, you have 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, and then you have your y. You can copy the same, and then you have here 4a, instead of plus, you have minus. Okay, so this is the factors of this expression. Now, how about expansion? In expansion, first, we copy this one. I write here x, and then copy this whole thing, x plus 5. And then plus, you write here, and then copy 2, and then multiply this x plus 5. Okay, so we expand. This one is x squared, and then this one is 5x plus this is 2x, and then this one is 2 plus 5 is 10. 5x at 2x is, okay, copy x squared, you have 7x plus 10. So this is the answer of the product of these two expressions. Okay, which is actually coming just from this equation. So for example, you have x plus alpha, x plus beta. Just copy x squared here, and then alpha and beta here. And then you get a, alpha and beta, you add them, and then multiply by x. So in this case, for example, that x plus 2 and x plus 5, we can apply this concept. Okay, x plus 2 and then x plus 5. Use this formula. You have x squared. This is alpha. This is beta. So you have your alpha plus beta. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then copy x. Okay. So you have alpha and beta multiplication. Alpha and beta. 2 times 5 is 10. So we have the same answer. Now, if you go for factoring, then you can do the same. This one, okay, will be reference and factor it from going here. Okay. So you copy x. What is alpha and beta? We don't know yet. For example, you did a factor, but you know that alpha and beta is equal to 12. Okay. Take note that alpha plus beta should be equals to 7. And for you to get that, the factor of 12 is 4 and 3. What else? 6 and 2. What else? 12 and 1. For you to get alpha and beta, if you use 6 plus 2, this is 8, which is not equal to 7. In other words, you have this answer, 4 plus 3. If this is 4, and then you have 3, 7 equals to 7, which is this value. In other words, you have here this plus, okay? This plus, we use plus. For example, we use plus. So for example, yes, you have here now alpha here, beta, or this one, alpha and beta. Alpha that is correct is this one. Alpha is 4 and then 3, because when you add 4 and 3, will give you 7. So this is plus 4 and then plus 3. Okay, so wait for the next tutorial. And if you have some topics which you would like to request for your children or for your siblings, then just drop your message in the comment section on the topics that you would like me to do for discussion or for tutorials.